All right, next we have our plush carpet. A lot of this is you'll see in residential homes. It's a little bit more comfortable, a little more cushy. It has a higher pile on it. So now we have our carpet tile tape. And for example, if you wanted to move the rug that you put down with the allflooringnow carpet tile tape, you can take it up easily. So here we have the double-sided sticky part that you would adhere around the edges of your area rug to keep it in place over your carpet, your residential carpet, for example. So this is a carpet to carpet example here. And then if you wanted to remove the tape after you're done, all you need to do is rub the corner here a little bit. Now this one's a little bit stickier because it is carpet to carpet, okay? So we're gonna use our thumb to rub it up on itself like this. So we can grab a piece of the corner here, and then we're gonna take it up like so. Comes up all in one piece, and it is residue free. There you go. You just ball it up and you can throw it away. And the roll size, the smallest roll is 2 inch by 90 feet, so you do get a large quantity of the tape, so that's very nice that you get such a big quantity, so you can use it. You can see how many different uses you can use the tape for.